What's up guys? This video marks the release of the Yeatzee Guitar Plexi-ish Helix pack. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a massive fan of Marshall Plexi style amps, and the Helix has a ton of variety in that realm. So much so in fact that when I started to make this patch, I realized I couldn't just pick one amp. I ended up really enjoying several of them. So I decided, well, why don't I just throw them all in one pack? So the Yeatzee Guitar Plexi-ish Helix pack includes 3 different amps. So it's got the Brit Plexi Bright, it's got the Brit Trem Bright, and then it's got the Park 75 amp. They all have kind of their own little flavor. They're very similar, but they have kind of just little bits and pieces that I prefer in one over the other. So I decided to use all 3 for this pack, and each amp will have 2 different versions, just like my other Helix patches. So there'll be a single coil version and then a humbucker version, so that you kind of have a good place to start with depending on what guitar you're using. Just like the other Yeatzee Guitar Helix patches, it's got 10 stop mode all set up for you guys. It's got reverbs, delays, overdrives, modulations, all at your feet, ready to go. I kind of set it up with the mindset of if you just had to show up at a gig and just need a patch to be able to get you through the gig and do anything you need, anything that pops up, that's what I wanted this stop mode to be. So you should be able to just put that down on the ground and be good to go. I stick on stop mode pretty often. However, if you're a snapshot fan, I left all of them blank so you guys can turn them into whatever you want, whether it be song-specific patches, verse, chorus, bridge, etc., or if you want to set them up for your favorite sounds within the patch. So here's my lead tone, here's my ambient clean tone, crunch rhythm, etc. These presets do utilize an impulse response. Now, just like my AC30 patch, I tried a bunch of different IRs to pick the best ones to recommend. And ultimately, many of you are going to be happy to hear this, but my favorites came from a free pack from Redwires. So I'm going to link that in the description below, and I'll have in the README file when you purchase the presets, kind of my favorites that I would recommend, as well as kind of a little description of how they sound so you guys can pick which ones you would like best. Now, if you prefer own hammer cabs, I would recommend their GNR pack. These presets are super versatile. Don't let the name fool you. You think Plexi, classic rock, that's it. These will do that, they'll do blues, but they'll also do ambient music and praise and worship super well. For me, this is home. I love the Plexi sound. I use it all the time. This is where I'm most comfortable, and I'm so stoked with these presets. So I can't wait to hear you guys' feedback. If you buy them, go ahead and comment below what you think. To learn more and to buy the pack, go to yeatzeeguitar.com, link in the description below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you really liked the video, share it with some friends. And if you really liked the video, consider subscribing. I've got a lot more guitar content coming in the future. And yeah, that's it. All right, until next time, see you guys.